to my YouTube channel and welcome to a brand new video. Hope you're all safe and well and enjoying your day and having a great week so far. So today's video is going to be a collective back to school haul for my little boy Oakley. He actually started school today and it was just so emotional for myself. You know, I was just beside myself. I just welled up as soon as I got him to the school gate and I saw the other moms and the other parents waiting for their little kids to go into reception. I just started to well up, you know. I'm absolutely fine now and I really wanted to bring this haul to you from earlier, but I just couldn't, basically. So I'm bringing it to you now and I've got some amazing items to show you which I picked up in the high street stores, okay? So I'm talking about back to school reception year. So we're looking at age 4 to 5 for reception. And honestly, I picked up some amazing school uniform from the high street stores. So George, ASDA, MATALAN, PRIMARK, and I think there's maybe one other store as well, which I would include in there as well, okay? I think, yeah. I'm going to start with George ASDA, okay? Most of Oakley's uniform or extra bits of uniform came from George, okay? Even though I've got from PRIMARK and MATALAN as well. So I'm going to start showing you the items that I picked up from George ASDA, okay? So in George ASDA, you can get a pair of school trousers. This is age 4 to 5. I've also got age 5 to 6. That's what Oakley's actually wearing now, 5 to 6. But I thought I'd just show you these ones. These ones I'm going to be returning because they're a little bit small. So you get 2 packs of slim leg trousers for £7 in George, which is just absolutely amazing. These are absolutely lovely. Lovely little cute trousers. And the fact that they're slim leg as well, absolutely perfect for my little Oakley. And these are the ones with the zip, okay? And you've got that little fastening at the front there. Hook that top bit there from stopping the trousers from falling down. So 2 slim leg trousers in ASDA for £7. Absolutely amazing, okay? So next up, Oakley's actually allowed to wear jogging bottoms as well to school, or even shorts. So I picked up these sets of jogging bottoms also from George ASDA. Okay, so you get 2 pairs of jogging bottoms, again charcoal grey colour here. It's got the drawstring as well that goes all the way round, and it's also got these tapered legs. Okay, so that's the charcoal grey colour ones. So they come as a pair of 2. So this one was also with it. These are the camouflage style ones in the grey. And this was a set of 2 for £10 in George ASDA. Obviously he won't be wearing these ones for school, but I just like the fact that there was a pack of 2 in these 2 designs, okay? So I've got those as well, £10 for the pack. So next up, in George from ASDA, they also had individual jogging bottoms. So I've got him these black ones because he can wear black or grey to school, okay? So I've got him these black ones in that size 5 to 6 or age 5 to 6. And these ones came in, I think these were £6 on its own actually for these ones. So I picked him up 2 pairs of these. There's one in his bag at the moment, so I've got those, okay. Also picked him up 7 pairs of socks for £3. Now these are cotton rich ankle socks, okay, so 7 pairs in there, 1 for every day, even though he's not going to be going on the weekends. I also picked up this cute tank top. Now look how cute this is, guys, and it says on there that it's got lasting colour. Absolutely gorgeous. I got this in a 5 to 6 for him, and this was just £3 at George from ASDA. So this is how he would wear the tank top with the polo shirt like that. You look so cute, and as we go into the cooler months, the colder months, he'll be transitioning into his jumper. Even though he wore his jumper today, you know, I think on some days he can actually wear this as well as the jumper. So when he takes his jumper off at school, he'll just have the polo shirt and this lovely tank top as well. Amazing. Okay, so next up from George from ASDA. Now I was very surprised to find this in any of the stores. I didn't even know it existed. So what I've got here is a pack of 2 long sleeve polo shirts. Yes, long sleeve polo shirts. Now I didn't know you can actually get long sleeve polo shirts until I went online at George from ASDA and I saw them on there. Very convenient for when we get into those colder months, which are fastly approaching. So you get you get a pack of 2, sorry, you get a pack of 2 long sleeve polo shirts for £3 in ASDA. And I've got to say, these are really soft material. They're not that rough material that you get in some of the other stores with the polo shirts. Really soft washable material, which I just absolutely love. £3 for two, you really can't go wrong. You know, I mean, for reception, they're going to be coming home messy. They're going to be coming home with loads of paint on them and glue and yogurt and all sorts. You can still get these items, guys. The high street stores stock most of the school uniforms for reception and primary school, okay? Depending on your school and your school's uniform, you can probably pick something up from one of those stores. So I also picked up a pack of 2 polo shirts from George ASDA. These are the stay white ones, same as the long sleeve ones here. Now these came in at an amazing price at £2.50. £2.50 for 2 white polo shirts, guys. Absolutely amazing price point. And I was actually recommended these by other mums, you know, who we met through the summer holidays. A lot of them said try George ASDA and also try MATALAN, which is what I've done. Okay, so these are actually still in the packet. They're polo shirts. Don't need to take them out to show you. They're polo shirts. Pack of 2 there for £2.50. Again, can't go wrong. Absolutely amazing. These items that I'm showing you from George ASDA, I ordered these online quite a while ago. So they gave the option of click and collect or a next day delivery or a 2 to 3 day delivery or 2 to 5 day delivery. Can't remember what it was, but I went for the longest one because I wasn't in a rush to get these in. We had plenty of time, you know, so these arrived like 2 weeks before Oakley actually started school, which is absolutely perfect. Okay, so the next item I'm going to show you are a pair of shoes that I got from George from ASDA as well. And they're these shoes here for little Oakley. Okay, I've got them in a bigger size because I like the design of them, sort of red bottom, and they look really strong. Okay, they look really strong, but they're also quite soft on the feet. You know, some of the school shoes can be quite hard. These ones are nice and soft, but they're still strong, if you get what I mean. They've also got these reflective strips on them, so you know, in the evening, or you know, as the clocks are fast approaching to be changed, you know, we're going to come into those darker days and darker mornings and longer nights. We're going to be coming home or going to school without a doubt when it's a little bit dark. So these reflective bits are absolutely amazing, and to be fair, these will probably fit Oakley in the end of December going into January when we're getting into the deep winter. So I've got these for him in ASDA, and these were £12. They've got Velcro, 2 Velcro strips on the front there that you can just easily take. The child can easily open up for themselves. Oakley can easily open this up for himself. He's actually got shoes like these already that he's wearing. Okay, so yeah, so he's got these ones. These were £12 from ASDA. Okay, so next up I'm going to show you the items that I got for Oakley from Primark. Okay, so in Primark I picked up these socks for him. So these are again cotton rich socks. These come in at £2 for 7 pairs of socks. Okay, so I've got those. I've just got them in black colour because we've got the grey ones already. So I've got those for him there. Okay, also I picked him up this essential pyjama set. So this came in at £3.50. This is made with sustainable cotton, and I got it in a size 5 to 6 for Oakley. So this is the top to the pyjama, and it says on there, never look back. Okay, and then it just comes with some style pyjama bottoms. Okay, they're not tapered or anything at the bottom, but you know, they're just absolutely fine. Sustainable cotton, you really can't go wrong. £3.50 for that set, and I've got it in a size 5 to 6 for him. Also from Primark, I've just picked up these pack of briefs for him. So you get 10 pairs of briefs for £4.50. Again, absolutely amazing value. £4.50 for 10 briefs. I mean, you really can't go wrong. So the design on them, it's actually had these before as well in a smaller size. So these ones are, yeah, I don't know, the designs on them, what it says is just like a grey and white kind of print design on them. For £4.50 for 10 packs of briefs, absolutely amazing. So I've got those for him. Okay, so that's all that I got from Primark. Now I'm going to show you the items that I picked up in MATALAN. Okay, so MATALAN did really well as well with the school uniform. Just as good as at George ASDA, to be fair. I really couldn't call it, you know. So I got him these jogging bottoms. These are in a black colour, okay. And I got them in at age 5 because MATALAN sizes come like that. They come like 4, 5, 6 and so on, okay. And again, you've got the drawstring that draws all the way around the waist of the trousers, which I just absolutely love. His school trousers, I should have really got the ones with the elastic waist, but they didn't have any in the slim leg, you know. I couldn't find any in the slim leg. And yeah, anyways, you know, he's going to be grown. I can just get those another time anyway. So yeah, so I've got these for him, £5 from MATALAN, okay. So next up in MATALAN, I also picked up these 4-pack of short sleeve vests. I got this in age or size 6 to 7, okay, and this came in at £6. So they're just really basic vests that you can just wear under his shirt. They come in white and they also come in grey, and they are really nice cotton material as well. I think they're cotton. Let me see, does it say what material it is? Yep, it does say on the front. They are 100% cotton. Okay, so you get a pack of 4 of these for £6 in Matalan. Again, absolutely amazing value. So next up from Matalan, I picked up these for Oakley, a pack of 2 crew neck sweaters, and these came in at £6 for the pack. Again, absolutely amazing value. These are long lasting colour, machine washable and tumble dryable as well. They feel really soft and cozy. You know, it's not that kind of material that's going to bubble up very easy. So I got those for him, a pack of 2 for £6 in Matalan, age 5, you really can't go wrong again. So I got those for him. Really like these, okay. I'm just going to take one off and show you how it looks. Really nice, cozy material. And it's got that fleece texture in there as well. Keep them nice and warm in the colder months, you know. I also picked up from Matalan a pack of 2 polo shirts. These ones came in at £4 for 2. Okay, they're very much similar to the ones in ASDA. I think most of the stores, most of the high street stores are doing more or less the same. So these are again 100% cotton, machine washable and tumble dryable as well. So I got those, pack of 2 for £4. Again, absolutely amazing. Okay, so there is 2 other items that I'm going to show you from a shop called SHOEZONE. Okay, popped into SHOEZONE just to have a look at what they have in terms for school shoes. I managed to find these shoes in there, which we both absolutely love. Oakley just fell in love with them as soon as he saw them. I think I fell in love with them too because they do look like a Clarks. They're not a Clarks, but they look like a Clarks, if you get what I mean. Okay, so they've just got this nice design on the front of them there, you know, like brogues. If I bring it in closer, you can see the little, you know, the design like brogues on there, and I just absolutely love them. They haven't got the reflector strips on them like the Matalan ones, but I'm keeping the Matalan ones for winter. But these are just absolutely fine for him to wear now. Also, I've got a vlog coming up where I'm going to be taking Oakley to my friend's children's shoe shop in Forest Hill. She's got amazing children's shoe shop there. I've got a couple of shoes from Oakley from there. Okay, so I'm going to be taking Oakley there, and we're going to be doing a vlog. Okay, and I'm going to take you guys along with me for that. Absolutely amazing. So you can get an idea of what kind of shoes you can get for your children, and it's also going to be having his feet measured as well, which is very important. Okay, so but for now he's got these ones here. These came in at I think £12 at SHOEZONE, and you know, it's absolutely fine for him for now. Next up, I promised Oakley that I would show his Spider-Man bag, okay, which he literally picked up in SHOEZONE. Okay, we went into SHOEZONE like I said, and he gravitated right to this Spider-Man rucksack. I mean, it's so cute. It only came in at £7. So he literally had it on his back saying, mummy, can you get this for me? Can you get this for me? I'm a big boy now, I'm going to school. So I got it for him, you know, and he loves Marvels, he loves Spider-Man. So yeah, so I got this for him. £7 this was. It's got a little compartment there to put your water bottle in. It's got a little pocket at the front here as well. And also, it's got this big pocket here where he can put like some homework in, you know, for school, you know. I'm not sure he's going to be getting a lot of homework. He may do, you know, being in reception, you know, but he's got his bag ready for it. Plus he's got the official school bag and the official school uniform, which obviously I'm not going to show. He looks so cute in his uniform today. I posted a little picture up on my stories yesterday on Instagram, and thank you so much for your lovely soothing comments, because I was just welling up this morning. Honestly, I was welling up. Oakley was absolutely fine. My husband was fine, you know. It was just me. It was just me at the school gate, you know, being the mum and just bawling my eyes out, you know. But I'm absolutely fine now, as you can see, and I'm just bringing this haul to you now. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Consider subscribing, guys, if you're new to this channel. If you're new to this channel, my name's Amanda. Welcome over here. I'm so glad you clicked on this video to watch it. I appreciate all of you watching. I appreciate all the new subscribers, and I appreciate your time. So thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.